I started 2 Instagram accounts in summer 2019. One was on traveling and another was on marketing. With one I got 15K and with the other one I got 1,200 followers. In this video I want to show you how I got there and how you can do the same. My name is Nadia, and on this channel I talk about business and self-development. Consider subscribing not to miss valuable information that I provide every week. So in summer 2019, I came to my mom, who is a traveling expert. She traveled around the world for many years, and I told her, I want to start an Instagram account on traveling and I want to use your content for this account because you have a lot of experience, you have a lot of knowledge, and I want to share it with the world. What do you say? And she didn't have any clue about Instagram at that time, but she said, yeah, why not? I would love to share it with the world, and if you know how, let's do that. So the reason why I've chosen this topic is that traveling is, first of all, something I like a lot. This is my passion. But also I have an expert, my mom, who has so much content and so much knowledge that I can also give it to the world. So I was doing the marketing part and my mom was providing the content. Yeah, and the account is very successful. It's been growing really fast. And I want to show it to you on my computer so you have an idea how it all looks like and how you can do something like that if you'd like. You don't have to pick up the same niche, but you can do more or less the same. So let me dive into my computer now. So here you can see our traveling account. Yeah, the account I started already in summer 19. And here you can see that at the time of recording this video, it has around 15K already. And this is my mom. Here you can see that the whole bio is focused on the traveling topic. Yeah, she's a traveling expert, helping you widen your horizon, providing travel information. You can send a direct message to Nadia, yeah, that's me. Or you can access our website, and if one clicks here on the website, then click here, then one can also see that the whole website is only about traveling. Here's my mom again, and here one can see the list of tours one can choose from. Just as an example, one can get like a 3-day tour in different cities, or one can order a 2-week tour or a 3-week tour. And those are just examples of the ready tours, yeah. But my mom would do a tour for you depending on which country you're going to, depending on what kind of places you want to visit, or maybe what kind of style you want to keep. You want to do it cheaper or you want to do it more expensive. It also depends, yeah. And yeah, here one can follow us on Instagram and so on. Anyway, the whole bio is focused only on one topic, and that is traveling. And here you can also see in the highlights, it's all about traveling, USA, Malaysia, Tokyo, and so on. But here also some family pictures and videos as well. And if you look at the feed, again, it's everything related to traveling. Yeah, sometimes I appear on the feed, but mostly it's just my mom traveling around the world. So for those people who are interested in traveling, this is very exciting. And one can also see that she gives a little bit of information here. So it's not only pictures, but also some information. And sometimes we make a video together talking about a particular place. Yeah, and this way you can see that if you pick up a broad niche and then just focus on one niche only, yeah, in all the places of your account. Of course, you can add some lifestyle and so on, but in this case, it's already it tells a lot about the person, so it's not that necessary. But here is just an example, yeah, what you can do if you want to get so many followers. So you can see that this is a very broad niche, traveling, yeah, interesting almost for everybody. And one can also see that the person doing this account has experience in the topic, enjoying it very much, has passion for it, So it all came together, so to say. And the next account I have is in marketing, mostly, but also it's on business and self-development. So the niche is much smaller. Yeah? And if you look into the account, you will see that I also mix those topics, you know. You see, there are a lot of people interested in business, but still people who are interested in both business and self-development are not that many. And those people who are interested in self-development are not necessarily interested in business. Yeah? And in my case, mixing those two topics makes the audience smaller, but it's okay for me because this is the audience I target to. This is the audience I want to talk to. Because for me, life is not only about hustle or job or business or money, but it's a lot about the meaning of life, yeah? The value you bring to the world, the joy you bring to the world, the great experiences you can share with people, the success, the happiness you want to have so that you can also be more efficient to people. I have a book on personal development. You can have a look. It's in the description below. There's a link. It's on Amazon. And there I talk more about self-development. But you see, this way I'm mixing quite two different niches. And that's the fact also that my account on Instagram, as well as this YouTube channel, is not growing as fast as it would grow if this would be like on traveling. Anyway, let me show you my second account, you know, the business and self-development account. So you can see how it looks like. Here you can see it's focused on marketing as well as business and self-development. I mentioned that people can subscribe to my YouTube. Also, there's an account on traveling. People can buy my book on Amazon. So it's already less focused, you can see. You know, it's not only one thing like on another account. So here's already, okay, business, self-development, marketing, traveling, get my book on Amazon. And if they click there, they realize it's on personal development. And here also traveling, YouTube, Far East, self-development, my book, social media, branding, and some other things. So it's less focused, and this makes the niche much smaller. You know, people who are interested in everything related to business and personal development are less than people who want more focused content. But this is me, this is how I like it, you know, this is the way how I want to give value to the world, you know, and I have pictures also from traveling and so on, but each post has valuable content about something related to either business or self-development. So here I talk about fatal Instagram mistakes. Yeah, even though I also have here a carousel of some videos and pictures mixing together. So no matter which post you take here, yeah, for example, yeah, I talk about YouTube updates for 2021. It's an IGTV here. So whichever post you choose, it's everything related to some valuable content or something related to, as I said, personal development. Yeah, here's is a quote from my book on personal growth. So if you'd like to get 10,000 subscribers, I would recommend you to choose some broad niche. But also it depends on your goals. If you want to get a lot of followers, a lot of subscribers, then you need a broad niche. If you want to talk about something that really brings people value, it should be something that comes from your heart, from your experience, from your passion. Yeah. So you can choose what you want, but mostly it should be something that is not only to grow your account, but to give value to the world. This should be the main focus. So choose something you have experience in, passion in, interest in, and if possible, make it very focused. So it could be very broad, like traveling, but it should be focused. If you talk on traveling, don't talk on everything at the same time. But again, in my case, I mix two huge topics, and I do it because this belongs to my value system. This is what I want to give, and this is how I do it. Making your account is a never-ending story. So if you don't have interest in what you're doing, then you will burn out somehow. And also if you don't have experience in what you're doing, your account will not be that attractive. Imagine you are making an account on traveling, but you never traveled yourself. So people see that, okay, you post pictures from different places, but you're not there. You don't have any picture from you traveling there or any video, you know. And this can be then not so attractive because you're just taking pictures from internet, mixing them all together. It's also nice, but it's not as appealing as to see a person who has experience and knowledge about what he or she is proposing. Another question is that why do you want to grow your account? If you want to monetize your account, you need to make sure that this is not only about growing. The first time I got a client from my Instagram account, it was a couple of months after I started, and I didn't put any effort into it. I just made a post that if you want to know more about it, you can contact me. And there was somebody who contacted me and asked for an online consulting. So I got a client without even the idea of getting a client from Instagram like that. So basically you can start earning money using Instagram with 100 of people following you. I'm now working on an online course on 8 ways to monetize your account. And there I will talk what you need to do to grow your account as well as what you need to do to monetize your account. And I do use a few of those 8 ways myself, but you can choose which way is for you. And you can start monetizing your account already with 100 followers. Make sure to follow me on this channel so you will not miss when the course is out. Hit the notification bell then. And also, if you are watching this video much later, make sure to check the description below. Maybe the course link is already there. Otherwise, I hope you like this video. Give this video a like if you did. Leave me a comment if you have an Instagram account and if you want to monetize it. And if you have any issues with that, any questions. And watch other videos of mine on business and self-development. And I will see you next week.